Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking how the shoulder feels and what movements hurt. This tells you whether to proceed gently. Once done, warm the joint for 5-7 minutes with arm circles and brisk walking so tissues are more pliable. Sit upright with a towel behind your back and a light band or 1-3 kg weight nearby. This setup prevents compensations. Now you'll do the first mobilization. Gentle pendulum swings and slow scapular retractions to restore basic glide and reduce guarding. Once your shoulder is warmed and basic mobility returns, you move into targeted strengthening to stabilize the joint and correct mechanics. You'll do external rotations with a band and prone T, raises to engage the rotator cuff and lower traps. This counteracts upward pull on the humeral head. Make each repetition slow, 3 to 4 seconds up and down, so muscles learn control rather than momentum. If pain rises above 3 out of 10, stop and regress to easier range or fewer reps. To finish, you normalize tissue length and reinforce the motor pattern with gentle stretching and purposeful movement. Once done, do doorway pec and sleeper stretches for 30 to 60 seconds to reduce anterior tightness, then test functional tasks with gradual load increases over days to weeks. Make sure to monitor pain and function. If weakness or sharp pain persists despite consistent work, stop progression and consult a clinician for diagnostic imaging and a personalized plan. This avoids masking a structural issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.